Hello, darling. Can I give you a ride?
Oh, what is it? Why are you following me?
I just want to give you a ride. That's it.
You see you. I know your plan. So, because you're done testing all the girls in this village, and I am the only one left. Now your problem is you don't know how to go back to where you came from without sleeping with me, Abi?
Come on, no. You are looking good.
Look, that is just what I'm about to tell you. You are looking very good as well. But where are you going to?
My brother, she will have no other option than to love you. Hi. She will simply follow me home. When we get home, honestly, it is very good to look good.
The waitress.
Hold on.
She wants money for the drink.
How much is it?
I think 6.5. Yeah, 6.5.
6.5.
Yeah.
Hold on. Do I have cash on me? I don't have naira on me.
Yes, now. Go and get out of here. Like you're very bad luck. Go and look for it now. Go and look for whatever you want to use. Hold your head now.
What are you miscreants doing here?
I know be local man. I'm Alamo was up too.
What are you doing here?
I am supposed to see my period last week, but see now I haven't seen it.
You haven't seen it. Did you give me your period to hold? Huh? Am I with your period?
Just shut up! Shut up your mouth! When a woman says or a girl says she missed her period, that means she's pregnant or something. Don't tell me that you don't understand what she's saying.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Ma'am, Yasi. Yes, you, Yasi.
I apologize to you. Apology for walk. I can never apologize to you. For what?
Tabo.
A girl mess. Just made a mess of both of us. And we're here frantically. My friend.
No, I'm not just saying it because I want to say that he's rich. I saw it myself. The guy has a lot of dollars. Like the guy is just so much. You know, he goes abroad, New York, America, everywhere. Jessica. Jessica's alright. You have a right.
Okay, there's no Pami don't finish. Jeku, waiting.
Hey, but my kid brother came here not quite long and bought some palm wine for my father. What are you not saying?
Come, Afam, shut up your mouth there. Look, this is my shop. I can decide to sell Pami to anybody that I feel like. But to you too, look, let me tell you now, Pami has finished.
What did we do wrong now?
You're asking me that stupid question. Look, let me tell you now something, Afam. Don't ever bring this okay man to my shop again. What that cocktail you be trying to
Why will you bring me to a madman's shop?
Moi,
Yes,
madman.
yes, you.
Senior. Sometimes Jeku used to have this dementia problem. I think that thing has started again.
I thought you're mature.
What are you saying?
What am I saying? You should have just flushed it.
Flush what?
Take pills or take something. Don't you get it? Huh? Or do you want to keep the pregnancy? Do you want to keep it?
Honey, I thought you said you love me.
Okay, even if I say I love you.
Guano, there is two difference between you and I now. Because me, as I'm going now, I know where I'm going to. But to you, you don't know where you're going. Guano, let us go to my...
Quality Nollywood Films. Y'all should link up on Sonny Richie Nolly TV.
Sonny Richie Nolly TV.
Sonny Richie Nolly TV.